I built a Chrome extension that sends you a notification when you get distracted using Claude AI. Before this, I was a WordPress web designer trying to survive in the freelance market in Ghana. I wasn't really feeling valuable as a web designer, so I tried to learn how to code. I was in it for 1.5 months to learn JavaScript and vibecoding when I was recommended to start using AI to build. So this Chrome extension was my first idea. Even though I was told to start building with Claude AI, I started with ChatGPT in the beginning. Then I realized it was really giving me buggy code. Then I removed back Claude AI, and then Claude AI helped me with well-structured and clean code, which I knew where to put which code, and that's why I really like using Claude AI. The most important thing is actually the prompts that you give to Claude AI. When I was starting, I just made it clear to him that I am I'm a beginner. I don't know much about JavaScript, and I don't even know how to build a Chrome extension. So it should be teaching me whilst it goes. So I got to learn about development environment of every Chrome extension, which I want to share with you here right now. So for every Chrome extension project folder you go in, you surely find this manifest.json here, which basically contains information that helps Chrome display what your extension is about. So you have the name of your Chrome extension, you have the version, you have the description, the permission that the browser of your user is supposed to allow for your Chrome extension to work well, and other informations here. And you also have this also here. It's called background.js. This background.js works like the manager of a company. It is behind everything, and it's actually controls things. It makes sure this thing is done, this thing is done, this thing is done. But the real guys or the actual employees or workers who does your job are the contents.js. So the background.js contains the instructions and other code that actually gets the functionalities of the Chrome extension done, while the content.js actually makes the thing gets done. And you have your other files like your popup.css, which is what you see when you click on the icon of the Chrome extension in the taskbar, whatever, in Chrome, and also your popup.js, your popup.html, and your popup.js. So this is the basic structure of every Chrome extension. One most important technique I figured out using Claude AI to build this: you don't tell it to build the whole thing for you at once, write the whole code for you at once. You're actually going to get buggy code, and you will not surely get the functionalities you want. You tell it to build it in features. So you know that, okay, your extension needs to have this feature, this feature, this feature, this feature, or these functionalities, and you don't tell it to build it all at once. You tell Claude AI to build it in pieces, so that you actually know what this one does, what this one does, what this code does, what this code does. Otherwise, when you tell it to build it all at once and there is a bug or there is some functionality that you didn't actually like, you really find it hard trying to get it right. Because I did this and I ended up building the first version of my Chrome extension, which behaved differently or functioned differently than how I thought it to be. I built a second one. It's also gave me a different functionality of what I actually wanted my extension to be. So it was the third one that I actually got everything right by learning to implement this things that I'm telling you, that you don't tell it to build everything for you at once. No, that is why although AI is here to help us build, but we humans are also needed to use our brain to actually tell it to build what we need, because after all, they are computers, and computers don't really do anything unless we tell it actually what it should be doing. One thing I actually learned to do is, before I even go to start letting Claude AI build for me, I just go to plan with the AI what I want to build, the kind of prompt that I should be using, and the processes I should follow to get my functionalities right. So I'll go to my whether notepad or Word document and then create documents that helps me to plan, and I write down all the prompts I need for the AI to actually build on it. So I'll Right, okay, first prompt, this should build this functionality, second prompt, this should build functionality, third prompt, this should build functionalities. And the reason why I do this also is that when you are using the free version of Claude AI, you cannot actually go about asking it a lot of questions and it's providing you with a lot of code. No, there is a limit of chat you can do with it, and when that limit is gone, whatever you send, there wouldn't be any reply. So you should be very careful when you are trying to use Claude AI to build. You don't have to go about, if you are using the free version, you don't have to go about sending it questions and then explain it, letting it write a lot of code for you. You are going to run out of free chats very, very early. So you need to write out your prompts that you need to give it already there. You prepare really well with it, with the AI itself, so that you can actually get the best out of it. And when you are done and you want to upload your Chrome extension to Google Chrome, you just go to Chrome and just type in Chrome extension Chrome extensions. It will bring you here, and then you turn on this developer mode and you just go to load unpacked, and then you locate wherever your extension is located. Let's say let's say focus reminder, I don't know, productivity companion. You choose select folder and it will come here. I've already uploaded this Chrome extension, so it's not going to be uploaded again, but it will come here. And when you actually want to put it on Chrome Web Store where people can actually see it, download and use, then you need to create a Chrome Web Store developer account or Chrome Web Store console, something like that, where you pay $5 as a subscription, one-time payment, and Chrome will give you the dashboard, and you'll be able to be uploading your Chrome extensions to the website where everybody can download and use. I tried to create an account myself, but my country, Ghana, wasn't eligible. So I couldn't create any accounts. And so the Chrome extension is sitting on my computer right here, but it didn't end there. I didn't stop there. I also had one idea, which is a SaaS idea, where I want to build a web application that will match people with the right YouTube content, YouTube creator that actually teaches and talks about things that they need, information they need to develop themselves, whether it's in terms of skill, whether in terms of business studies, whether creative path, or whatever they need to. Because YouTube is a very great platform where you don't the problem is not about the information. The informations are there, but how to find it is the problem. To be able to find a creator or content that actually fits with your journey and your goal and your path in life, you might end up in watching hours of videos, and if you don't take care, that's going to result in you just scrolling through YouTube all the time and then just watching content anyhow. But if you can have a platform where you can actually have content that actually resonate with you, and you can actually use it to build your life, I think it will be more better. I haven't validated this idea though, but that's why I have you guys here. If you think it's a very good idea, fine. If it's not, we can keep moving forward. So thank you guys. This is my journey, and this is what I use Claude AI to do, and I'm going to be doing more. If you want to be watching my journey, if you want to be following me, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye.